Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. My name is Bharatanatrayan. Now we are in a 28th video of Next.js series. In this video, I'm gonna explain about delete API routing. So, in my previous videos itself, I have explained what is API routing, how to use get method, put method. So, if you wanna see my previous videos about API routing, don't worry, I will provide the link in the top right corner. So without any further delay, let's get into the practical demonstration so you can find the solution. First of all, I'm gonna continue from the previous video. So in my previous video, I have explained how to use the post method. In this video, I'm gonna continue with this. So here I'm gonna change this into post method to delete method. So after that, I'm going here. I am going to check the condition the method have post method, get method or delete method. So I'm gonna copy this and paste here. Then I'm going to change to delete. Inside this condition, first we have to create a first inside this condition, first we have to create a variable called constant data1, which is used to store the data. So data, this is the data, and next filter. Within this filter, I'm gonna provide the arrow function. Next, I'm gonna provide object, and within this arrow function, I'm gonna return the data which is not need for us. Return object dot id not equal to the request dot body. So request dot body and semicolon. After this, I'm gonna return the datas. So for that, I'm going to provide a response status. Here response status data1. And what is going to happen is, here we are going to provide the index number of the values. Then we will call that value, it will remove. So first I'm going to change here insert to delete. So and in get method, I'm gonna console here for check full.log data1. So first of all, we can call that data by default, which is present. So but we have three data, these three data has been listed inside. So one delete. So here it's not working fine. So let's check what is happening. You can see here the data has been consoled correctly in the terminal, but what's happening is, here the data1, here the this will fetch the data and a response. This will convert to the JSON format, but it will not update the state, which is here. Here you can see the state is going to render the list. So here we didn't have that. So I'm going to update the data data1 using this variable. After this I'm going and again I'm going to call first delete. In the delete button itself it's a reflecting, so if I provide 2 if I provide a delete, it's gonna delete second value. If I provide delete, it's gonna delete the only first value. We have reached the final part of this video. Please provide your thoughts about delete method in API routing in comment section, so you can evaluate yourself and you can understand what are the difference between get method, delete method and post method. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly.